I'm using a tile cement product instead of mortar to stick these bricks down. To help keep things manageable, I work in groups of 5 bricks at a time. So after spreading out our mortar on the foundation, we butter the back of the bricks so we have extra adhesion to the whole system, and then continue laying the other bricks. As I move up the pathway, I constantly restage for each row of bricks I want to glue down. So the system I use is to always add a little more than we're going to need, and then remove the excess. So I lift it back out, add some more product, and then put it back in place. I just go back over them lightly with my rubber hammer. We're now ready for the final stage of this project, which is adding the golden path gravel. This is the best part, is putting this top coat on. It'll start to look like a finished backyard, at least in this section anyway. This is the last video episode for this particular project.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.